Hello everyone, today we will make a very beautiful creative art. Take a dough and cut it from both the sides as we have done. Now start rolling it one by one from both the sides. Now make designs on it using the knife as we are doing. Now press it from both the sides using the sticks. Now again make the designs using the knife on the other side and press it using the stick. Now pinch it from both the sides. Now roll it from the sides as we are rolling and make them stand, and it's ready. Now we will make the honeybee using the dough. Take the dough and cut them into 4 pieces. Now press it using the comb. Now fold it and press it from the end. Make 3 more as same. Now press them together and roll it. Now fold it to make its body. Now using the scissor, cut it to make its beak, eyes, and make designs on its body. Now put 2 small sticks on its mouth. Make small holes to make its nose, and it's ready. Now we will make a decorative flower. Take a dough and make lines using the stick. Now using the scissor, start cutting it slowly to make the petals. Now again follow the same step to make more petals downwards. Use the scissor very carefully and cut it slowly. After that, with the knife, we will cut towards its end as we are doing. Now pinch it from its sides one by one as we are doing. Put a dry date in between and it's ready. Now we will make a flower using the dough. Take a dough and fold it and press it with the stick. Now again fold it and press it from the sticks. Now again fold it and press it with the sticks. After folding it from all the sides, now with the help of the fork, we will make designs on its end. After that, with the help of the knife, we will start cutting it from its ends. After cutting it from all the sides, pinch it little bit as shown in the video to make the petals. Then put a dry date in between and it's ready. Now we will make a decorative flower item. Take a dough, put a dry nut in between and then make the braids as shown in the video. After rolling it, join them together as shown in the video, and then we will take 3 pieces of dough, flatten them and then put dates in between of it as shown. Now fold them together and keep it together and press them from the between using the sticks, and then place a dry date in between and it's ready. Next we will make a decorative floral item. Take a dough and make lines on it using the sticks. Now cut it from all the sides using the knife. After that, again cut it from the between as we are cutting. Then take the dates and put in between and then pinch it from its end. Follow the same step. Now take 3 pieces of dough and press it using the comb. Now cut it from the between. Now put them over each other and press it using the sticks. Then roll it and keep it in the between and it's ready. Thanks for watching.